This is how my Boost buying spree got started, when I absentmindedly entered the N tricolor NMD raffle and won. Now, aside from the comfort from the Boost cushioning, the thing that really amazed me when I got these sneakers was just how stretchy the prime knit is. It seems just about anywhere you are in the shoe, you can easily stretch it. And I found that really increased the comfort compared to just having a cushiony sole. I like the tricolor so much that I picked up these two Y3s afterwards, a Yohji Run and a Pure Boost ZG Knit. Now this also has a prime knit upper, and like with the tricolors, very stretchable. Now this isn't prime knit, but it feels like some sort of lycra material, but the end result is the same. It's very stretchy. I wish this was a bit thicker like the prime knit, but nonetheless, the result is the same. It's really comfortable for your toes. And once I got addicted to this, I couldn't stop buying. These were the next batch of purchases, the 2017 Pure Boost. Now, this is some sort of knitted material, but it's not nearly as stretchy as prime knit. And this patch right here isn't stretchy at all, and it's actually a bit abrasive. After a few wears, you don't notice it, but it definitely is there. And because of that, if you try to do a lot of stretching here, you'll see that it's quite a bit more restrictive than last year's 2016 prime knit. Again, after a few wears, they really get pretty comfortable, but feels like it'll never be as comfortable as the ones that have prime knit uppers. This color Pure Boost collaboration has the same issue. It's sort of stretchy, but not as stretchy as traditional prime knit. And see, if you really try, you can stretch it, but it takes a lot more effort. Eventually, I got these Kozoko Y3s on discount. Also, you'll see it has an ultraboost sole, and I thought, you can't lose with that. Continental new version as well. But I noticed something. The toe box is no longer stretchy. It seems to be a mixture of some sort of laminate material and nylon, but there clearly is a skeleton of stripes under it. And while they're still pretty comfortable, I noticed that with the newfound restrictions, they just aren't as comfortable. Now, it's true I only wore them for a few times and maybe they'll stretch out, but I started to notice a clear-cut pattern from here. And here are the Y3 X-rays. Now, this is a really unique design, and the most interesting thing, comfort-wise, is this area right here seems to be lycra-like material, like on the Yohji Runs, but this is some sort of fairly harsh laminate. And plus there's this barrier going around the side, which is, I'm not sure if it's actually leather, but it's rather hard. And once again, I noticed the areas where you have lots of stretch are much more comfortable than areas that have restrictions. My last purchase was this milled leather EQT. Comfort-wise, it really seems to be the best, better than Ultra Boost and anything I've ever tried. But one key to this comfort, I feel, is that once again, we have a fairly stretchy toe box. Now, this suede leather component here is actually pretty restrictive, but once you pass this barrier, it's all really stretchy. And I've come to conclude that the more boost you have, plus the more stretchy the toe box is, the more comfortable the shoe will be. Now, it's not that I regret buying any of the other ones, but this pattern really is emerging pretty clearly in my eyes. Not sure if this matters to anyone, but I thought I'd throw it out there in case it does.